Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review, along with additional resources, are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using Gator. In this video, we're taking a look at the Gator website builder by HostGator. This all-in-one platform is a great option for small businesses, freelancers, and individuals seeking a simple, budget-friendly way to build a professional-looking website. Gator's intuitive drag-and-drop interface and fully hosted platform empower even beginners to quickly launch a website without needing any technical skills. The platform offers a diverse selection of responsive templates catering to various industries, from personal portfolios to business websites. These modern, mobile-friendly templates ensure your website looks fantastic on any device, be it a desktop, tablet, or smartphone. Customizing your site is a breeze. You can easily edit text, upload images, and rearrange sections with just a few clicks. While Gator's design flexibility is more streamlined compared to more advanced website builders like Wix or Squarespace, it excels in its simplicity, making it perfect for users who prioritize ease of use. One of Gator's biggest advantages is its integrated hosting and domain management. Because it's developed by HostGator, you don't have to worry about sourcing separate hosting or navigating complicated setup processes. This all-in-one approach is particularly attractive for users who prefer a streamlined experience. Furthermore, Gator provides built-in SEO tools to enhance your website's search engine visibility and analytics to monitor its performance. For small businesses looking to venture into online sales, Gator offers e-commerce functionality on its higher-tier plans. These plans allow you to create an online store complete with product listings, payment gateway integration, and inventory management. While it might not be as feature-rich as dedicated e-commerce platforms like Shopify, it's more than adequate for smaller-scale online businesses. It's worth noting that Gator may not offer the same depth of advanced features or integrations as some of its competitors, which might make it less suitable for projects requiring complex designs or functionality. However, its simplicity and affordability make it an excellent choice for beginners and anyone looking for a quick and hassle-free website building solution. To summarize, Gator is a user-friendly and affordable website builder ideally suited for small businesses, freelancers, and individuals who want a straightforward way to create a professional online presence. Its integrated hosting and domain management, coupled with basic e-commerce and SEO features, make it a strong contender for those seeking a simple yet effective website solution. For a more in-depth look and to determine if Gator meets your specific needs, be sure to check out the links provided in the description below. This review should give you a clearer understanding of whether Gator is the right platform for you.